You might be familiar with the phrase, "No Irish need apply." It's a phrase which once accompanied job adverts in England and the United States. This phrase is now the title of a new exhibition in Dublin's Immigration Museum, EPIC. Our Dublin correspondent Gabia Gaddis-Fitzgerald reports.
No Irish need apply, a phrase once used alongside job adverts in the UK and the US. But now we can learn what life was like for the Irish who emigrated to England over the past 200 years. A new exhibition at the EPIC Emigration Museum in Dublin shows they were discriminated against, they were poor and had few opportunities.
Work was the major reason why people left Ireland during any period of economic difficulty at home when there was no opportunity, low wages, high unemployment. England was the place you went to try and get a better life, to try and find work and better wages, and millions of Irish people followed that path.
Researchers analysed vital records, births, marriages and deaths by surnames to track generations of Irish. There was nearly 900,000 Irish born in England in the 70s, and since the creation of Northern Ireland, up to a third of Irish emigrating to England came from here. But the experience for Irish people in England has done a 180 turn in recent decades.
I've lived there for most of the past 20 years. London, I think, for me, is wildly different than it was for the Irish of, say, 50 years ago. It's a multicultural place where being Irish confers many advantages.
The Irish have gone from being one of the poorest groups in England to one of the best off groups in England, and that's a major shift. In the same period that Ireland has gone from a country that people left to a country that immigrants come to.
Gabia Gaddis-Fitzgerald, BBC Newsline, Dublin.